Number 2 pilot Matt Sutcliffe and Lieutenant Ed Holland, the observer. And you can see there's a fairly powerful downwash from that machine. One way to give yourself a shower. There you are, give them a wave, they're in the door there. Hi guys, thanks very much. Yeah. Are you going to dingle-dangle somebody out? They do that sometimes. I think you'd get a bit wet if they slide someone out the door there. It does give you an idea of the sort of work that the winchman in a door would have to do, going down into that maelstrom of air, probably into a choppy sea. There he goes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That takes some doing. There's a serious amount of air being blasted down there. He's got a survival suit on. But you can imagine going into the water there, trying to pluck somebody out. He's obviously not sufficiently confident with his rig to take both hands off. He's got one hand on the safety line. I like that. Again, once there's a little bit of forward movement, you reduce the spray line. There he is, being winched back up. Well, rather him than me. That's Dan Gartenfeld from the 3 flight. Good man, well done. Again, operationally, the Merlin can carry 26 troops or up to 38. Can you believe that? 38 passengers and over 5 tons of payload. It can stay in the air for over 5 hours and have a circle range of 500 nautical miles. That's an impressive machine. There we are. I think that's the guys clearing now. So great display for the Merlin. If you ever get down to the sea,